Okay, so I got my Black & Decker 17-inch hedger. I'm ready to do some work. Now check this out. I got a 50-foot cord on here so I can get completely around the bush, and it does come almost assembled. All you have to do is put on the safety guard, and that's it. Just one screw, and you're ready to go. Ready to start cutting. Wow, that works great.
This is the Black & Decker corded 17-inch hedge trimmer. And it also has dual action blades, and it can even cut up to 5/8 inch cut capacity. How awesome is that? It also has a built-in cord retainer, which helps to prevent extension cord from coming unplugged. And it also has a full-length trigger for convenient operation. It also has a built-in T-handle for control and comfort, and it has a 3.2 amp motor. It requires 120 volt AC only, blade length is 17 inch, and cutting strokes are 3,800 strokes per minute. That's pretty awesome, and it's pretty lightweight, only weighs 3.9 pounds. And this is a close-up of what it looks like. And right there is where you're going to plug in your extension cord. We recommend at least 25 feet, 50 feet preferably. And look at those sharp blades. Awesome.
My work here only took about 5 minutes. This is an awesome tool. You got to get one of these if you're going to work on the yard.
Thanks for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.